What's going on, traders? So there was a lot of volatility in the markets this week, especially with precious metals. Gold and silver hit new all-time highs before a huge collapse to the downside. The markets are definitely shaken this week due to all of the volatility. Bad for long-term investors, but great news for day traders. More volatility in the market just means more potential trade setups. And this week, I'll show you how we used our gold trading algorithm to pass the FTMO challenge in just one day.
All right, so here is an update on our gold trading bot and how we were able to use it to pass our FTMO challenge in just one single day. The more volatile the markets are, the better this bot actually performs. And you can see the price action and what's been happening with gold. We believe that gold will continue to be volatile throughout the first half of 2026. We have made continuous updates to our gold trading EA. And just last week, we sent out an update to all of our members. We will need to send a new updated version of the gold bot once again. That's 4 updates in the past 2 weeks. Gold keeps on climbing, so we need to make constant adjustments to adapt to new market conditions. You can continue to use the latest bot until we send the new EA this week. And this is what our traders do. We use a style of programming such as quantitative trading, in which the bot makes a style of trading that's driven by math, statistics, and other computer algorithms. And that is how we are constantly able to beat the markets. The only issue with quantitative trading is that when the market structure completely changes, there needs to be constant updates. And I'll show you guys how we are able to pass this trade once gold actually made a huge reversal in the market. The EA scanned the markets and knew that the probability of a further drop was going to happen, so it ended up taking all of these trades to the downside, and that is how we were able to pass the FTMO challenge in just one day. So if I go to my MT5, this is exactly the same account, and I'm going to show you guys. It is exactly the same, $20,359.98. So once we installed the EA, this is actually when it took all of its trades right there. On this huge drop to the downside, it ended up taking all of these different sells and was able to capitalize on all of these sells going down. And we were able to hit the 10% target on phase 1 of the FTMO challenge. So this just happened in one single day. And I'll show you why we had to take 4 more trades right here, and right here. If I go to my social trader tool, so this is the FTMO 200K account. On the 2nd of February, it actually made 10%. It actually took only a couple of hours for it to hit the 10% target. And you can see this is the 2nd day right here. And then here's the 3rd day. And here is the 4th day. Most of the trades that it actually took were all shorts. The longs one right here, 2 out of 3, were trades that we actually put in manually. And there is a reason for this, but most of the trades were actually shorts when this drop started to happen. You'll be able to see the 2nd of February, and you can see all of these different sells, 0.15, 0.06, 0.15, and I'll show you guys how this bot is actually designed and how it works before it goes into a stop loss as well. And with the reason why we put in these little buy positions, this was on the 3rd of February, and this was on the 4th of February. I took a small buy, 0.01, and then I closed out right away. And then this trade right here happened on the 5th of February 2026, and it is just like on my MetaTrader 5 right here. So here was the 3rd, so 0.01 right there, 0.01, then 0.01, 0.01, and then those are the only 3 buys that we took. On FTMO, on the 2-step challenge, price target for first phase is 10%. We were able to get it on the first day. However, they do have a rule that the minimum trading days has to be 4 minimum trading days on the evaluation. So that is the reason why we had to take these 4 positions. This bot has a built-in stop loss, so you guys don't need to worry. The max stop loss it's set at is 1.5%. The trades are 100% automated, and you can pass any prop firm and continue to use the account once you guys are funded. It is compatible across all different platforms, whether it's MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, Match, or TradeLocker. And you can automate the trades without any kind of human judgment or slow decisions or letting your emotions take your trades. It scans the markets 24/7 based on probability and linear algebra. We have spent hundreds of hours and days to design this bot, and we also make constant updates to this EA. So once you guys do join, you guys will have access to our trading community. You guys can log into our community, and then once we make any announcements in the Telegram channel, then you guys will be able to get any kind of updated EA configurations as well. You guys will also be able to join our group chat. Today is actually the weekend. We have closed out all of the trades. We do offer other services, so if you guys are interested in automating your prop firm accounts, we also assist with that. This weekend, one of our members was able to get a nice profit from FTMO for about $13,000. This weekend is Super Bowl weekend, so hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. So if you guys would also like to automate your trades without having any kind of emotions, then make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. You can check out all of the gold videos out right here. In this video, we did close to $1 million in profit. If you guys would like to join our community, make sure you guys hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your automated trading journey.